What's up? Poppa up in the house. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of my routine in preparation for going to a show. There is one today, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Make sure you comment down below and let me know what you think about these type of videos. And let's get started. Yeah, man. So I done already got out the shower, and not finna show you guys me taking a shower, and then I weigh myself. And up. So y'all already know I'm not finna show you how much I weigh, but if you guess how much I weigh, I'll send you a special shout out in the next video. Yeah, man. I'll go ahead and put an iron to these because I usually wear the same type of shorts. I've got two of these type of shorts like this, and this one's got the zipper on the pocket because I'm carrying cameras around, batteries and all that stuff. So I usually wear these type of shorts like this. So I put an iron to this. In my shirt, of course, I usually wear one of my shirts with my logo on it and my channel, so folks can know who I am. Need to put something on the back of that shirt too, but let me see which one I'm gonna pick. Thinking about doing this one. And help you out on that weight. This is a 2X. So anyways, so I like these shirts right here because they're tight on the sleeves and they're loose right here. I don't really like clothes touching my skin. That's been a thing of mine forever. But I don't know, it's just my thing. I just don't like clothes like really tight on me. But around the muscles, that's cool. But anywhere else, I don't really like tight clothes. So you'll never catch me in a pair of skinny jeans. Never have, never will. So I don't do that. So I'm gonna get dressed and then take it downstairs. Yeah, so we got on the drip. Yeah, the drip. Yeah, we dripped out, draped up, dripped out. That's what I already did a pre-check yesterday, but I usually kind of give it a quick once over again. Just to make sure everything is on the up and up. But I've already checked all my buttons up there, making sure they all still working, making sure my bass knob is charged up, because I have the wireless bass knob right here. And even if it's not charged up all the way, I will just charge it up on the way to the show. Usually most of them about an hour away, so it gives it enough charge. I make sure my radio is working. I go up under the hood and make sure nothing came loose from the last show. Again, I already did do all this kind of after every show, but I just pre-check it again. So just to make sure everything is correct, give it a start up, make sure everything's running right, make sure it's not overheating and all that stuff, because you don't want to address that on the road. Overheating and your belt messing up and stuff like that are common to happen. So just when you start it up, make sure you gauge your temperature gauge. It doesn't immediately go to the middle. It needs to gradually go up. But if it immediately goes to the middle, you probably got some thermostat issues or overheating issues. Could be a thermostat, could be a water pump. But you want to get that addressed and screw the show. Get your vehicle fixed. You don't want to be broke down at the show. Next thing is I make sure my tool bag, which is super important. My tool bag is all packed up. Got numerous bits, voltmeter, tape, wire cutters. I remember one time, I'm always adding because I don't know, and I needed these at a show. Luckily, somebody had some for me because my connections came loose and I needed it. Electrical tape, the drill, and I tell you what, one of these, I got this from Walmart. Just like that, it's got metric and standard in here. Highly, highly recommended. Get one of those. And I gotta put my Allen key back in here because I didn't have it in there the last time when I needed to make an adjustment on something. I was like, dang, and I didn't have any bit in here. So I got to put my Allen key in here. This is what I'm talking about that I didn't have in there last time. So I put that in there. And then I noticed while I was going through that, I didn't have a screwdriver. So this is a multi-point screwdriver. Get one of these at Home Depot. These are awesome. Quick release. Yeah. So that's basically what's in my tool bag. And then of course a flashlight. You know, all Home Depot special. Real cheap. This is a Lowe's special. Cheap. All this cheap. Yeah. So that's ready to go. Then of course my canopy and then a chair. So got that, and now we will start packing up. All right, so now we done got gas, maybe another couple fruit. So just really got gas, tanked up, and look at this idiot. Just pulled right out in front of me. So hold on, turn this down. Get no copyright strikes. Got the AC blowing. We chilling. So going to the show and everything, I'm always thinking about what I'm gonna play. Now that I've gotten this single-din radio, what I have to do now is make a playlist on my USB for stuff that I want to demo. And now, a lot of times I'll use the shows as a convenience for me to find other music to play. But, you know, that's kind of hard to do whenever you got people that's wanting to get a demo from you, and then you have to kind of go back and figure this and figure all of that out and see what sounds good in the system. So, essentially, I'll put some of the ones I know that's going to work, and then I'll make a note, because I always keep the notepad with me. Sorry for the shaking, guys. It's trying to hold it steady. But I'll make a little note of something that sounds good in here, and then I'll add to the list. And I've got in my folders, I've got like 4 different folders that I demo out of, that I know who the actual editor is. So, and then I just recently added a family friendly. I'm not saying that it's like completely curse free, but there ain't no P word and D word and all that stuff in there, and, you know, the N word and all that stuff. So you're basically gangster music. So none of that in there. And I listen to what I listen to, and I like what I like. So some of the shows that are family friendly, which are these two that I'm going to today, I'll just go ahead and, you know, play those songs. And it's mostly slow music, and a couple of fast songs that I found, but I just didn't make a whole lot of time to make out a playlist to, you know, find better ones, so to speak. Anyways, I'm going to test out a few of these songs that I think's gonna sound good in here, because I haven't really tested them out. I just listened to them on my computer, and I said, all right, so this is in the range that I like to play, and then I'm gonna see if these work. So I'm gonna go ahead and test these suckers out, and if not, I can go back to Old Faithfuls. But I'm gonna test these couple songs out, and then once I get to the show, I'll just take you around and show you what's going on. Yeah, man. All right, so we done made it to the show, and we're getting ready to check out some of the rides that's already here before we go to the next show. We're doing a dual show today, so we're gonna check out what's here already, and this is kind of like a car type show, and then the audio is back up that way. So of course I park where the audio is, and we're just gonna check out the vehicles right now. So let's go ahead and do this. Yeah, man. All right, first up, this long bed. What we got going on back here? This is probably my favorite right here. I just like the black on blue. Look at that. Oh, let me back you up real quick. Hold on. There we go. Now, look at this sucker. Sometimes when you're looking at these vehicles, you can already see that it's a do not touch sign on it without even seeing it, right? Don't touch the vehicles, man. Don't touch them. Look at that C10 right there. I used to, my granddad had one of these. Look at that guy right there. What up, James? What's happening? Well, I'm gonna go here in a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna just check it out for a little while, and then I'm gonna head up that way. Since they're an hour behind us, yeah, I'll go up there and then hang out for a little bit. Okay, man. But you know I gotta get this on first. Whew, got us a little car audio in there. Let's see what we're working with. Audio bond. Ooh, old school audio bond. We like that. Old school audio bond. Look at the wheels though. Yes, sir. Nice paint job. Oh. Look at that. Let's see, Sinister Show Foods. Nice. Old school truck. Very nice. Vortec. Let's see. I'm guessing that's a turbo. I don't know. Y'all engine guys, y'all know. All right, so let's go back over here. All right. Famous Papa Smurf. Mopa. Getting it all in. Look at here, another Mopar. Got the scars back there. Make the car look good. It's a Rally E Charger. Very nice. Very nice. Then we got the RT. Hear me? Eight cylinder. Yeah, man. So we got it here for the tunes. Got some six. Looks like 6.5. I don't know. I don't think those are 8s. Very nice. Nice custom box. Let's check out the rest of the vehicles. Which vehicle y'all liking so far? Comment down below. Mopar City. Look at that. It's almost like once you've seen one, you done seen them all. Y'all always inspired to look for something different on these things. What's happening, man? Doing all right? Good. Now, this is my favorite. If I had a show favorite, this would be it right here. So we gonna check this one out. This is something I've always wanted. My uncle had one of these. Yes, sir. SS Savage right here. See what she working with. Very nice. Make sure y'all hit her up. Check out the brand. She's got the Lambo doors on here. Interior clean. Even smells nice in here. Hey, SS Savage, just gotta smell it nice in there, girl. Got the Apple Bee, well, Google Bees, whatever that is. Check it out. Nissan Z, one of my son's favorite vehicles. He definitely liked the Z's. So the Z Clan is up in here. Look at him. The Z Clan is up in here. He just recently, well, he didn't. Somebody hit him in his Z and totaled it. So it's not operational anymore. So he's working on getting something else now, but these Z's, man, woo-hoo-hoo. Y'all can tell me, I don't know if they LS swapped or not. I have no idea, but y'all seem to know a little bit more about these motors and everything like me, more than me. Drop to the flow. Z gang. What kind of audio we got back there? Spend more money on the car than audio, that's for sure. We like it. That's what they like to do. Big boy truck. Very nice. I think I've seen him driving this before. Driving it around. Yeah. Built, not bought. 1LE. Look at this bad boy. Huh? Killing it. Yeah, man. Army Aviation. 3 AM Custom. Tennessee Valley Camaros. Yes, Lord. Very nice. All right, let's check out over here. There's a lot more vehicles back up that way, and we're gonna walk up back that way and check some of those out as well. All right, got this Audi. Tell you what, you ain't supposed to race these at all. Nope, you ain't supposed to race them. You're just supposed to let them have their way. Don't let them fool you. These things are fast. Very fast. This is it. This is my color right here. I like this color. Lowered. I don't know if it's a lift on here or not, but if it is, very nice. Is that a D210? Nah, it's a Volkswagen. Rich Rebuilds is doing one of these, or something to it. Volkswagen lovers. We even got the rust. Look at that. Yep. Yeah, I think Rich Rebuilds is doing one of these. Putting a Hayabusa motor in the back here and then doing an electric motor up front. So, got the famous anonymous scat. Oh, he brought the bike up here. How'd he do that? How'd he get the bike and the car up here? Let's check out the car first. 392. Lambo doors. Very nice. Lowered. And we got some system back there. Got all of that on there. Check out Anonymous Scat on all your platforms. Instagram especially. Very nice. Let's check out the bike. Man, I'm shutting this down right here, man. I'm shutting this down. Shut it down. Nah, this is nice. Got the nice paint job on it. It's look like a 1000. Yeah, I'm thinking it's a 1000. Cause the booster, we killing them. We killing them. All right, let's go over here and check out some more vehicles. All right. So we got a nice vet here. Alpha Elite signature wheel. Very nice. This looks like a vehicle that you do not want to mess with on the track. So, straight shift. Look at that. See that? There we go. All right. So, we got the big protocol. Very nice truck. Big trucks. Lift kit. They got to lift it. We don't do squats in Tennessee. We do this right here. Lift it up. Look at that. Ask them to squat it. We don't do squats around here. That's y'all South Carolina boys doing them squats. We lift. Lift it. Don't squat it, lift it. Another lift. Look at that. Lift it up. Riviera. Look at that. My auntie used to have one of these, brown one. And my cousin got it. And I don't know what he did to it. Pee-wee, what'd you do with this Riviera, man? What'd you do with it? This is an old school vehicle. We actually bought a Riviera at the auction one time. This guy, we bid on it, and then he said no, but then once we ran out the auction, he come running out there like, hey, I'll take that money. We give $1,300 for that Riviera. Very nice. All right. Transformers, nice. Red truck, LS, very nice. Nice trucks. Listen, let's check this one out. Oh, I thought he had a breather on there. I was like, how does he close the hood? I don't see nothing, but yeah, that comes off. So there we go. This whole thing was probably built to shut your mouth. Yeah, man. Whew. Another truck. Check it out. Very nice. All right, let's check out some of these over here. Ooh, slam stuff. Look at that. Sunset, East Tennessee, low and slow. Low and slow. Look at that. Beaver Jam winner. Here we go. Southern swag. Check it out. Yeah. Trucks. Thanks, trucks is winning today. Got a bunch of trucks out here. Trucks is winning.
To scrap wipe off the dirt, get back on.
What we got here? What is this at? Very nice, whatever it is. Comment down below what y'all think this is. Well, we know what it is now. It's a Volkswagen. Which one? Got a little audio in there. Alpine. There we go. Woo. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Do you see the word custom written on here anywhere? Yeah, you better. All right, so we out of there and everything. So we definitely checked out all of the show so far. It is 10:48 EST. So we've checked out basically all the vehicles that are here so far, and they're still coming in. So comment down below what y'all think about, the show and everything so far. Started at 9 o'clock, so a lot of people was already here. We got vendors here. Got Bama Nougat wings. Got some barbecue over there. All right. So here's another part. Look at this little thing. Very nice. Show here. It's a whole team of cars here. Check it out. Very nice. This is a very interesting Hummer here. Something I have never seen. Look at this. Very nice. Ooh-wee. Huh. They completely gutted the entire back end. Looks like. Made it where it goes down in there, so it's slammed. I'm just curious if this thing drives like normal. I would say so. It's got a little bit of driving bugs on there. Very nice. Shoo-wee. Yeah, this thing is nasty. Look at this thing. Beaver truck. All right. Oh, somebody like Buc-ee's, man. They love them a whole lot. Wow. Okay. Very nice. Working it over here. That. Very nice. Okay. This is very interesting. Is this an Armada? Surely this is not an Armada that's down this low. I'm indifferent. I think it may be an Armada. Let's see. Wow. This is different. It's different. Call that doo-doo green. All right. Let's see. Very nice. Very nice graphics on here. Oh, look at that. He took the door off. Haha, psych. It's right there. Excuse me, sir. You only started up when you ready to talk some smack. That's the only time you started up. All right. Let's get over here. Yeah, man. So we just finished up that show. And now we're headed to Manchester, Tennessee. Now, it was only me and two other people, David Cook, David, and which you've seen that demo, and Nate, that was their demo. So we're gonna go to Manchester, Tennessee to kind of see what's that way, and I'm gonna cut you back on when I get there. But as far as the show itself, great. The show is intended to have the vehicles that I showed you, not audio. Audio was added at the last minute, and it was probably done purposely so the show wouldn't be overcrowded by that. But you know, it is what it is. We're loud. It could be obnoxious to some people and everything, so we get it. But that's why we like going to the face shows, right? Yeah, man. So as soon as I get to Manchester, I will cut you back on, and just drop a comment and let me know what you think about these type of formatted videos, and let me know if you want to see more like this.